In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage social media with Hootsuite, setup, scheduling, and analytics. We'll start by getting you into Hootsuite. Head to the Hootsuite website and either create a new account or log into your existing one. Choose the plan that fits your needs. There's a free trial if you want to explore first. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is home base for everything else. Next, connect your social media profiles. Look for the option to add accounts, then pick the networks you use like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or X. Grant the requested permissions so Hootsuite can publish and pull in engagement. For Instagram business profiles, make sure they're connected to a Facebook page first. That's required for full functionality. Name your profiles clearly so you always know which account you're posting to. Now open Composer to create your posts. Choose the profile or profiles you want, write your caption, and add images or video. Use hashtags and mentions thoughtfully, and check the live preview for each network so formatting looks right. If you're sharing a link, shorten it and enable tracking to measure clicks. You can save drafts while you brainstorm or duplicate a post and tailor it per network to keep your messaging consistent but optimized. When your post is ready, move over to Planner to schedule and organize your content. Switch between calendar and list views to see your week or month at a glance. Pick a publish date and time, or use recommended times if available for better reach. Drag and drop to reschedule. Add labels to group posts by campaign and double check your time zone so content goes out when your audience is online. To stay on top of engagement, use streams. Create streams for each profile to monitor comments, mentions, messages, and keyword searches. Filter by network, sentiment, or message type to focus on what matters. Reply, like, assign, or archive directly from streams, which helps you respond faster without switching apps. Finally, open analytics to measure performance and improve future content. Review metrics like reach, engagement rate, clicks, and follower growth. Then identify your top performing posts. Compare date ranges, spot posting times that consistently perform, and adjust your content mix accordingly. Build a simple report you can revisit each week and export if you need to share results. And that's your end-to-end workflow in Hootsuite. Log in, connect profiles, create in Composer, schedule in Planner, monitor in Streams, and refine with analytics. Follow this loop regularly and you'll publish with confidence, respond faster, and keep improving every time.